Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a recap of the pre-market trading session today. Well, as I mentioned in the previous video, I'm only gonna do pre-market because for several reasons. Number one, I do swing trading options wheel strategy at 8:30 onward, and I just don't want to be pressured to switch back over to day trade at that point, to do recordings and whatnot. The other thing is there's halts in the regular session and also a lot more volatility. And also, I kind of like just want to specialize. It's really great to just be done before 8:30 so you can get the rest of your day going, whatever you want to do, if it's like work or play or exercise or anything like that. So today, it's not so bad today. I did do a full recording of the entire day, which we can go over after key points or key times. After we go over the trades I did. So as you can see, and let's just go over the big trade, not big trade, but the big mover today, SYPR. I actually did get in. Funny enough, like, where the hell did I get in? Like, so right now it's at 670, okay? I got in at 339 right here. And I sold into this pop because I thought that it was gonna hit. So I was looking at this chart here. I was thinking it was gonna hit some of these wicks right here. If I were doing a little bit bigger size, I would probably sell half into that 350 and then hold the rest till 4. Now, obviously, you don't know if it's going to go to 6 like that. That's a pretty big move. But the chart looked really good, because, okay, while there was resistance here, it's kind of like in a breakout. It's not like lower or it's not like trending down. The last high was pretty far away in the past, so I really liked it. And I got the trade off of the time in scanner. So it was basically let's go back. It's basically the 8 a.m. Or the 7 a.m. Change. So basically, news usually comes out on the hour. So news probably came out here. I saw the momentum. It came up on the time and scan, like it just freshly came up. I saw the momentum. I just hit it, and I took a quick look at the daily chart. It looked okay. It looked pretty good. I just hit it, and obviously that's the trade. As the account gets a little bit bigger, obviously you want to kind of take incremental profits in there instead. But that's sort of a trade. So the other trade was RRD, and this was a 6 a.m. play. So all the way back in the beginning of when I can actually trade on this account. All right, come on. All right, so Jesus, what the hell's going on? Okay, there we go. Okay, I need to make sure I'm getting this straight. Okay, alright, it's right here. 6 a.m. my time, 7 a.m. obviously. I entered at 67. So I had 3 of these stocks with decent pre-market volume and gappers on the scan or on the screen. I saw this starting to move up. I hit it right here at 67. And then I sold into 79 to this first candle. Obviously that was a mistake. I should have just waited until 4. Why did I sell? But because the previous day there was a wick there at 79, so I was afraid that it wouldn't make it up to 4, which it actually did. So obviously if I were doing a bigger size, I would probably get some out at 67, and then at 79 at that previous wick, and then see if it could make it up to 4 and then sell some into 4 right there. So pretty good trade overall today. I'm up 93 cents. I implemented the changes yesterday. I did a lot of updates here on the scanner, but one of the big things is that I'm being very cognizant of the daily chart to make sure there's no resistance. I might actually remove these charts because they're actually just kind of cluttering the screen and distracting me. Anyway, so let's go to the actual trades for the. Let's go over the video. Well, let's see, it's 2 GB. So let's go over the video real quick. I want to go over the 6 a.m. and I want to go over the 7 a.m. To see. There's nothing really going on during the other times. There could have been, but I need to take a little closer look later. Okay, where am I? Why is there two? Oh, no. Okay, so here you can hear me drinking coffee. Okay, so I start seeing it move up, and blah blah blah. I wanted to take profits into there. I was just waiting, blah blah blah, waiting, and then boom, I took profits there. Obviously, I'm gonna wait until 4, as I mentioned before. Let's see beforehand what else was there right in the beginning. So this is okay. So this is 10 seconds. I almost forgot to start the video. 10 seconds before. Okay, well, you can't even see the stock, so let's. Okay. So RRDR, okay, GSAT, RRAAC. How this DMY? What does DMY do? See, as you can see, I'm filtering for stuff that actually has decent volume already. What did this do at 7 today? Okay, really not. So that's really nothing. I probably wouldn't have entered that. SLRX. Yeah, if I had it on there, I didn't see if I saw this starting to move, right? Maybe I got it in here. So if I got in here at 42, what would the actual at 42? No, this is a decent looking chart. I think probably the 3 would probably be, obviously 1, maybe nothing really, maybe something at 250. Yeah, so maybe I need to put more of that stuff on there. Let's see what else was there. So that's why I have 6 charts here. Maybe in the beginning, at the 6 a.m. move, I should put all of these on there. What's the other one? RMGBU. That might not be. That's like an underwarrant or something. RMBGU. Whoops. RMGBU. RMGBU. Is it? Oh, so it's an acquisition company. Okay, so really nothing there. Oh, so RMG. So SOS. Maybe SOS. No, I don't like. Not really. No, not really. SOS. RMGB. No, nothing. Okay. And I think that's low. RCMT. Yeah, that's really iffy right there. Jeez, that would actually, if I gotten in, let's see, if I gotten like right there for the push, it would have to be the push to, this would probably be a losing trade, because I wanted to push to, I think the higher it is on the scanner, the better. So this is pretty low on the scanner already, so, probably not the best. Because it just doesn't get any traction, right? Because people are looking at the top of the scanners. Anyway, let's see how long. 1 second. I am at 10 minutes of the right. Okay, let's look at the 8 a.m. or the 7 a.m. their time. Okay, okay, nothing happens. Okay. Okay, so this is going into the 7 a.m. So one of the things that happens with these, so I have a lot of stocks up here, the top gappers here on the left. And one of the things that happens is that there's a lot of hedge funds do like swaps or wherever like that that's not on the table. So it comes up as like spikes. So you gotta be careful not to actually think those are extra prices or anything that's meaningful. So okay, so I'm looking at this top scanner right now. I sorted it by time on scanner. So I'm looking for stuff to pop up and looking for stuff to start moving. Um, okay, there it goes. Okay, now it's 8 a.m. So you can see that these stuff here, that's not really any price action. So I'm looking at the scanner. So nothing's coming up yet. So there's sound in the background because I'm actually, okay, so now, okay, stuff is pointing up. Okay, so that's moving. Okay, I see it's moving. All right, boom, I enter. I just saw it moving, like, the chart looks decent. Okay, so as you can see, I actually kind of got a little bit kind of lucky there. Um, okay, I want to look at that SGBX real quick. When did that pop up? So SGBX came up at around the same time. Anyway, okay, so that's the day. So obviously it's about pretty much almost close to open. Yeah, so I'm just looking at the scanners here. So yeah, so that's the day, up 93 cents. Um, not bad on $10. So that's it. Small account challenge day 3. Let's keep going.